Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of CoinLogic TV, where we are looking logically at crypto assets. I am your host, The Logical Dude, your favorite van life living, crypto investing digital nomad. Hope you guys are doing great today. It is Monday, March the 7th, 2022. I couldn't go this Monday without bringing you a Monday market update. It's been a while, but I'm trying to get back in the mix of it. No matter if I'm on my travels or not, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video. Today, it's been a bloody weekend into a bloody Monday, not only in the crypto markets, but in the traditional markets as well, with the exception of things like commodities like wheat, oil, natural gas has been absolutely shooting through the roof. If you went and put any gas in your gas tanks, you know this. It's absolutely getting ridiculous. So that's really kind of where, the markets are at. So the markets have been reacting very poorly as far as, risk on assets like cryptocurrency, even Bitcoin. So, but, you just gotta hedge your bets, in times like this, in times of turmoil like this. So, here at CoinLogic, we're heavily invested in a lot of stable coins. We have a lot of our investments are paired against stable coins working in DeFi protocols, that kind of thing. So, we do have some risk aversion here, so you just got to play your investments smart. You got to be wise about it. Don't get wrecked, because anything can happen, especially when, we're looking at the cusp of like World War III or something like that. But anyway, let's get on into the CoinLogic website. We're going to take a look at all the trending stuff, kind of see where we're at, the market sentiment, that kind of thing. And then I got something cool I want to show you. We're going to start doing a macro minute on our updates, taking a look at the macro markets. I've got a full macro research page that I'm going to show you, and it's brought to you by Comdex. So Comdex is a synthetic assets exchange that's getting ready to launch. They've got their own blockchain protocol on the Cosmos ecosystem. So it's the IBC technology, the inter-blockchain connectivity, inter-blockchain channels. So it can connect with a bunch of different blockchains that are within that ecosystem built on the Cosmos SDK. So we'll get into all that and more. Let's just take a look at things. Okay, so taking a look here at coin-logic.com. You see our CoinLogic index has definitely been taking a hit. BNB is actually in the green, just barely. And then we've got Juno, which is actually up 2.38%. So that's a little bit of green, but everything else is just red. Struggling really hard. So we get on down here and we've got the top 10 gainers of the top 100. You're going to take a look and you're going to see that Waves is definitely on a pump. Got 20.36% gain over the last 24 hours. Airweave is the next one in line with 2.95%. And then you got Juno at 2.38% gain. And then we've got Leo token. This is from Bitfinex, not the Leo Finance, from Hive. That's up 2.37% as well. And then we've got Cello that's up 2%, and then we're just getting into stable coins after that. So, we got the last 5 are stable coins. And then you got your top 10 losers of the top 100. We've got Thorchain, which is down 11% today. Convex Finance is down 10.5%. Fractshare, don't even know what that is. That is down 9.24%. And we got Chili's down 8.6%. Phantom's down 8.6%. Chainlink's down 8.5%. And we got Near Protocol down 8.05%. And we got Internet Computer Protocol down 7.5%. Polkadot's down 7.4%. And Curve Finance is down 7.3%. And those are your top 10 losers of the top 100. Then we've got the top 10 by market cap, which is still Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USDC coin. And then we've got XRP, Terra Luna, Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche rounding out the top 10. And then we've got top 10 by volume: Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDC, Binance Dollar, Terra Luna, Solana, BNB, and Phantom. So you see which coins are being used the most, which platforms are being used the most. So take that into account. Our fear and greed index, the market sentiment is absolutely struggling. We're at a 23 right now. We're in extreme fear territory. And it's not just the crypto markets. A lot of people are scared about, just the global situations that are going on with the whole Russian invasion of, other parts of Eastern Europe, with, going into Ukraine and looking at expanding from there. So we could be looking down the barrel of World War III. So everybody's a little scared. Everybody's putting some money in other places. So Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is up to 43.5, almost 43.5%. So you can see that a little bit more of the crypto money is starting to flow back into Bitcoin a bit, because you're seeing that Bitcoin cannot be stopped. Ethereum, you see what happened with Infura. So that was an infuriating situation to where they basically are complying with the Russian sanctions, which, blockchain's not supposed to comply with sanctions. It is what it is. So down here, you can come and check out some of the latest posts from the Hive blockchain that we have curated. But what I want to talk to you about today is our new macro research page. So this, like I said, this is brought to you by Comdex, Comdex.one. They are democratizing global finance markets for all. Again, bringing synthetic assets like commodities and futures and bonds and things like that, being able to mint these type of assets using collateral on their own blockchain using the Cosmos SDK. So it's a part of that Cosmos ecosystem. So they are basically trying to allow anybody to be able to trade commodities, items, and things like that that normally can't be traded by regular people. You have to be an accredited investor for stuff like that. All right, so taking a look at down here, you can come down and take a look at some of our major indices, futures, bonds, and forex. You can kind of switch between. So we've got our major indices like the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, the Nikkei, I guess, the Japanese. We've got the DAX index, which is the Deutsch German index, and then we've got the British index. So every one of them are on a major downturn right now. It's pretty rough. When you tap on one of the names, it'll take you over into Trading View. But if you tap the bar next to it, it just shows you the chart right up above. So yeah, everything's looking rough. We're on some major downtrends on the markets as a whole. You can come down a little further, and we've got some different macro charts. We've got like the M2 money stock. We've got the U.S. interest rate. We've got the inflation rate year over year. We've got civilian unemployment rate. We've got the 30-year fixed rate mortgage rate. We've got the CPI and the gross domestic product here for you to guys all take a look at. And then we go down below, and we've got the U.S. Federal Reserve press release feed so that you can get your information right from the horse's mouth, but through here on CoinLogic. So when you click on this, it'll actually open up to the Federal Reserve website. These are just some, felt like some really important information that might be good for some quick macro looks and stuff like that. So again, this is actually a site that I built for myself to kind of help me with my, research and that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys can use this macro page. We're going to start doing a macro outlook on each of our market updates on Mondays and Fridays. And those currently are being sponsored by Comdex. Comdex is got a team sponsorship on our node with Infinity Nodes, which is our Cosmos validator node company that I'm partnered up with. So yeah, that is how we are being supported there. So thank you very much for that team delegation. It's going to help us grow. So really, no matter how you look at it, you really don't control anything on these markets. All you can do is hedge your bets, play your money safe, make sure that you got some stable coin action going on if you're in the crypto markets. You might want to take a look at buying some, go ahead and getting some food, stocking up on some food, stocking up on some gas, because things may not get any better for a while. So just be safe. Just think about what you're going to be doing on that end. And just make sure you're hedging your bets. I wouldn't be going in for any kind of silly investments right now. That's just me. But of course, this is never financial advice. I'm just a dude chilling in a van, traveling the land, doing what I can, seeing what I can see, and sharing my love and my knowledge with crypto with you guys. Which, hey, may or may not be as much as some of you out there. But that's why we have community. Come drop some notes down in the comments. Tell me if you like the content. Tell me if there's things that I can improve. I know there's always area of opportunity. But, hey, I don't know if you guys don't communicate. So, on Hive 3Speak. Would love, some feedback there. Comment in the descriptions. If you're on YouTube, use the comment, thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. We always appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your day. I am about to be off and running on some more travels, so we'll see where the life journey takes me, and hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow. Be cool, be real, always abide. Peace out.